Here, sharing with you our haul from book sale. Ayan, this is from book sale in SM North EDSA. So from the dentist in Makati, we had our lunch. Danielle, Papsi, and me sa SM North EDSA. So in SM North EDSA, there is a book sale. Ayan, so may haul tayo. Disciplining Gen Y. So we want to know, this is on youth ministry, but we'd like to know how to handle those born in between 1980 and 2000. Ayan. So we do consulting work. So ayan, para maintindihan natin how our employees think, work, and behave. Yan. So disciplining Generation Y. And the other is rest. Yan, rest. So it's finding stillness in the midst of busy, So sabi niya, living on empty, find fullness in Christ. So yan, so minsan kasi parang everything seems to be okay. Bakit parang you feel something is missing? So sabi ni Brother Bo in one of his talks is, it's Jesus that you are trying to look for at hindi mo pa siya nahanap. That's why you feel empty. So rest, find stillness in the midst of busy. So this is our haul from SM North, book sale SM North EDSA. Stay safe everyone and keep on reading. See you on our next video.